see them take on to build a wall between us. We know what they want and
Now I'm towing my car. There's a hole in the roof. My possessions are causing this, especially there's no proof.